I've never seen a wheel get that hot before. Man, look at that. Okay, so while I've got a few minutes to wait for this guy to deliver the parts I need to fix the truck, I thought I'd show you what I carry in my toolbox when I head out on the road. You never know when a hoe is going to come in handy. Always keep a hoe with you. You know, to the untrained eye, it would appear that this video was all about fixing your brakes on the side of the highway, you know? But oh no, there's a deeper meaning to this trip today. I'm taking you with me. This will be the first time that I've laid my eyes on this vehicle. When you see it, it's the first time I've seen it. We're going to size it up and we're going to load it on an auto transport that I've got behind us here now. I went and picked up a trailer. We're going to load that on the auto transport and we're going to take it home. And I brought you along for the journey. The brake repair was just a teaser.